they thought were in Venezuela. Migrants arrested for shoplifting in Illinois sparked concern in the community. On the night of October 31st, while the festive spirit of Halloween filled the streets, an unusual incident took place in the western suburbs of Oak Brook. Two Venezuelan immigrants, Luis Mendez Gomez, 28 years old, and Frank Montes Davila, 23 years old, both residents of Chicago, were arrested on suspicion of shoplifting at the popular Macy's store. Charges filed against them include theft and retail theft. Additionally, Mendez Gomez faces an additional charge for driving without a valid driver's license, considered a misdemeanor. These events are not isolated in the region. In fact, last month, another pair of Venezuelan immigrants were detained on similar charges after being caught stealing merchandise from the same store. The men were equipped with electronic monitoring devices as they await their court appearance, scheduled for November 20th. The arrest of Mendez Gomez and Montes Davila came after officers patrolling the Oak Brook Center parking lot noticed their suspicious behavior upon leaving the Macy's store. According to the official statement issued by the DuPage County State's Attorney's Office, the pair was seen with a happy birthday bag and a backpack, which appeared to be loaded with merchandise, before getting into a car and hastily leaving the area. Shortly thereafter, officers managed to stop the vehicle in question and upon inspection, discovered a total of 16 high-end fragrances and other significantly valuable items, totaling to $832.50. According to investigators, Mendez Gomez and Montes Davila would have entered the Macy's store together, where they filled their bags with desired merchandise before leaving the store, without making any payment. DuPage County State's Attorney Robert Berlin commented on the matter, emphasizing his office's commitment to protecting retail establishments in the county and ensuring that those accused of committing such crimes will be apprehended and brought to justice. This incident was not the only one in the region. In a separate incident that took place in the same area, two more individuals, identified as Adis Alberto Herrera Gatopo, 20 years old, and Johan Gavidio Rojas, 18 years old, also Venezuelan residents in Chicago, were arrested for allegedly stealing merchandise from the Macy's store. According to the DuPage County State's Attorney's Office, the suspects would have entered the store together shortly after 7 p.m., each carrying empty bags. According to authorities, Herrera Gatopo and Gavidio Rojas acted as a team, alternating roles between selecting items and acting as a lookout. When they left the store without paying, Oak Brook police intercepted them, resulting in Herrera Gatopo's arrest without incident, while Gavidio Rojas attempted to flee, triggering a brief foot pursuit before being apprehended by authorities. Both men faced charges of retail theft and were released under the condition of not entering the Macy's store in Oak Brook. These incidents have sparked concern and reactions in the local community. The recurrence of such cases, along with other reports of criminal activity involving Venezuelan immigrants in Chicago, has led to an increase in tension and concern in the region. Furthermore, the situation of Venezuelan immigration in Chicago has been a hot topic in recent times, with an estimated at least 20,000 immigrants arriving in the city since August 2022. The city's capacity to adequately accommodate them during the winter has been a subject of debate and concern. Meanwhile, local residents express concern about the potential impact on neighborhood security and associated